time, so let's get started and grow some garlic. Before we start planting, let's gather our tools. You'll need a few basic supplies. First, you need garlic cloves. You can buy these at a garden center, or you can use cloves from a garlic bulb you bought at the store. Next, you'll need some potting soil. Choose a well-draining soil. This will help your garlic grow strong roots. A trowel will help you plant the garlic cloves. It's a small shovel that's perfect for small plants. Finally, you'll need a watering can. Garlic needs regular watering, especially when it's first planted. Now that we have our supplies, let's move on to the next step. Not all garlic is created equal. Choose garlic that is specifically for planting. Look for firm garlic bulbs with plump cloves. Avoid bulbs that are soft, moldy, or sprouting. Now let's prepare our garlic cloves. Gently separate the cloves from the bulb. Be careful not to damage the pointed end. This is where the roots will grow. You are now ready to plant your garlic. Find a sunny spot for your garlic. Garlic needs at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Loosen the soil with your trowel. Mix in some compost or fertilizer. This will give your garlic the nutrients it needs to grow. Plant each clove pointed end up. Space them about 6 inches apart. Cover the cloves with about 2 inches of soil. Water them well. Congratulations, you've planted your garlic. Now, water your garlic regularly. Keep the soil moist, but not soggy. Soon, you'll see green shoots emerging from the soil. You did it! Enjoy watching your garlic grow. With a little care, you'll have a bountiful harvest in no time. Happy gardening!